Ah. Move stairs. There. Okay. The alarm is super annoying, but it wakes me up. Put on my glasses. Ow. There we go. What am I gonna do today? Who knows? Let me just eat my breakfast. Well, I'm done with my breakfast. I'm gonna go to the mall. I'll take $5. I'm not gonna buy anything extra, really. I'm just gonna buy something worth like $4 or $5, maybe even $6. No, not $6. Alright, so it's gonna. Ow! All my money. No traffic today. That's good. I have to walk to the mall because Mom took my car, which sucks. Now I gotta go this way. Make sure there's no cars. No cars. Let me just look one more time. Ow. Just make sure. Okay, no cars. Watch out!
Taste of the Northeast with
Huh? Where am I? Hello? Where am I? Miss, please lay back down in bed. The doctor will be here any second. What? What doctor? Dr. Schulman. You know, your doctor? What are you talking about? Why is Dr. Schulman coming? To help you, dear. Look at this thing on your head. You got hit by a car. Really? Oh no. Wait, what's today? Today's Friday. You've been here for a week. A week? No, 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 no. I was supposed to go to my meeting. You have to get me out of here. I can't be in here anymore. I have to go to that meeting. Please let me out of here. Miss, I'm sorry, but I can't do that. You have to let me out of here. Help! Someone help! Dr. Shulman will be able to help you soon, dear. Please lay down back in bed. No, you can't make me. Doctor, she's refused. Sorry, ouch. That hurt. Dr. Shulman, ow. She's refusing to lay back down in bed, and we're gonna have to tase her or whatever. Because she's not going to lay down in bed. She's gonna keep trying to find a way out of this place, and we can't have that. Yeah, we can't have that. Well, I can give her checkup now. It doesn't really matter. Ow! But Dr. Shulman... That girl... Oh, Dr. Shulman. Hey. Can you lay back down in bed for me? No, I need to find a way out of this place. I thought you were gonna help me. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna help you, like, get out of this place to make you feel better and get out of this place, okay? So I'm gonna need you to lay back down in bed for me. No, no, no!